here is the great deception, not a deception, the singularity of a great deception. But what's interesting is the deception comes only because the delusion has come first. And the delusion there's actually a process. The delusion comes because of the refusal of people to love the truth. It's not an ignorance problem, it's a love problem because they love not the truth. The truth is the person, the deity of Jesus Christ. Because they love not, he is the truth, the way, the truth, and life. Because they love not the truth, God is the one that sends them the strong delusion so that they might believe the lie, the deception. Did everybody hear that? There's an algorithm here working. It starts with a love issue. They are lovers of self. They're lovers of pleasure rather than lovers of God. Then, because of that replacement of what you love, are loving those things more. They're lovers of money, proud, boastful, arrogant, treacherous, rash, abuseful, right? They love the world and the things of the world. Because there's a love issue, then there's a delusion issue. And because there's a delusion issue, then you take part in the deception. You give yourself over to it. So,
yeah, it all boils down.
You get some cool stuff from Amazon or what? You get some new night vision?
I don't know. I just had a sign for it. They kept knocking at the doors like, what is going on here? But you nailed it because they are lovers of self. They are more concerned about self-preservation instead of their direct personal relationship with Christ. And that is the difference. And even in the majority of the church body, that is their focus. Very few people have this mentality that they die to self and that they put Christ first and that they focus on Christ in a daily relationship. The rest, they will give him that time once a week on Sunday for 2 hours. And it's more about self-preservation. And everything that's coming down the pipe is going to offer that self-preservation. They're going to paint that picture that's going to give them what they want, and the majority are going to fall for it, which is why I agree with your point. There has to be a way to reach them. Otherwise, so many are going to be lost. So many, because they can't die to the flesh. So they're more concerned about self-preservation and building their kingdom here. But it's an illusion. And like you said, it is the grain delusion.
Yeah.
It is.